Hey guys, this is Mike Tarallo with Qlik, and welcome to SaaS in 60. This week, we introduce additional enhancements to Insight Advisor business logic that improve the results of suggested analysis types. Business logic provides context for Insight Advisor to produce more relevant results. When exploring the data, Insight Advisor analyzes the data model and builds a default logical model that infers aggregations, data types, calendar periods, and more. You can customize this default model using business logic, so the results returned by the Insight Advisor are tailored to your specific business needs. Within fields and groups, we have added 3 new properties that can be assigned to your logical measures: favorable trend, overall aggregation, and favorite. Favorable trend will automatically sort measures in charts in the direction you want to see the trend, ascending or descending, as well as change the gradient color scheme for that trend. Overall aggregation is used for calculated master measures where the Insight Advisor may not be able to determine the aggregation for that measure, such as when using complex or formatting functions. And favorite is used to enable measures to be used in analysis with higher priority when exploring data using Insight Advisor. And that is your SaaS in 60.